Hey Mechwarrior, welcome back to Plays Mechwarrior 5. If you were here for the last episode, you remember that we got smashed up a little bit and had to completely re-alter my Kraken and pretty much rebuild my Atlas D. Yeah, we're still right about same place we were money-wise as I began the last episode, or the episode before that. So we took a little bit of a beating, and that's the nature of the game. Let's go down here and take a look at this hero mech. I'm still looking for the boar's head. That's the bottom line. And that's not it. We had the Raven there, that's the heavy metal. Okay. I do like the heavy metal much earlier in the game, before I have Atlases and all that. It's a nice modifiable mech that makes a lot of sense, but not here, not now. Oh, goody. Always looking for XLs, that'll do too. In fact, my Atlas D lost its XL, so kind of in the need for it. Replacing everything. Okay. That being the case, rather than sit around and waiting, I'm going to try to find some. Not there. Some middleweight heavies. Back up to the 10. Yeah, 10, 12 area. Kind of already forgotten where that is and just how far up it was. I think it was up in here, wasn't it? Hey, you know what? It'd be kind of fun. Go up and do, God, what is that? The campaign mission there, Crimson Crusade. Jeez. Been a while since I've done that. These are 340 for the heavy on that, so that's kind of hard to get that light actually. And that's a level 9. 12, 13. Tomans is dragon. That's way low. And that's the yeah. So we're going real low on that one. Let's kick it up to Meacham. See what's around. I'm trying to get this one as a nice, quick, short mission or episode. So I got to find something pretty quick. The Hero Stalker. I think I've already got that. I thought I already had that. I'm not interested in it. What am I riding? Oh, the 5M. That's right. That's been around for a long, long time. Might be time to let it go. Got a replacement. I got the Savage Wolf. Where's he at? This guy. Got a pair of LRM-15s. So does the Dicky. But for now, 230s, 270s. Wait a minute, that was anti-clan. 230. Wow, just a little. That's way too light. On the one hand, I want to do something light because I want my 400s to build back out. 230s, 270. I don't need the battlefield. That's, yeah. 230. Wow. That sounds like fun, but you gotta realize 2 of my 75s are, like as I just showed you, the LRM mechs. Doesn't make them useless up close, it makes them not quite as good. So I got a war zone, cold territory. We're gonna do this one. It's gonna be a stretch to get that low. Look at that, 14 picks. Wow. I'm not paying for damage anyway. I think I'll look at that. Out. Out. Out, out, out. Probably going to be a 3-mech anyway. I think I'm going to take the C. We'll put these guys in. That one. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, even then we're at 5 tons over, so we'll just swing this one.
Attention. Prepare for BattleTech departure. Warning. Hangar doors open. Stand clear.
Reactor online. Sensors online. Weapons online. All systems nominal.
It looks like friendlies are already engaged with hostile forces. Their survival is not our priority, but there's always safety in numbers in a combat zone. We should do what we can to help them out. They will make earning our combat bonus all the easier the longer they stay in the fight.
On the other hand, you should always get all the free stuff you can.
That's close enough. Ready to start pickup operation.
Consider it done.
I see some LRMs flying. There we go.
Tango eliminated.
Savage Wolf. Mad Cat. Timberwolf. Several different names.
Stay sharp, Mechwarriors. Allied command reports enemy
Sharp as a
movement is
carper in
projected to
dispensable.
hit your location at any moment. Time to earn our pay.
Target acquired.
Not a problem, sir.
Target destroyed. Target acquired. Target destroyed.
We're on your target, Commander.
Now, why is he shooting at me?
Additional hostiles have been dispatched. They're heading your way.
Done, sir.
Oh, I didn't get that salvage, did I? It is a 55-ton Clan.
Firing from here. How quickly will you come apart?
Target destroyed. Target acquired.
Aim got here. Enemy mech destroyed.
Tangos appear to be bringing in additional reinforcements. Brace yourselves.
Target acquired.
As ordered.
Cargo acquired.
Target
This
acquired.
is Pain God. Scratch him. I need a new target.
Target destroyed.
Enemy destroyed.
Boy, I didn't even get a chance to shoot stuff.
Enemy mech forces spotted operating in the area. Watch out for them. One of our assigned targets is flying in.
Target acquired.
Target destroyed.
Destroyed.
This was I gave all the cool mechs for my AI to fight.
Shared target identified.
Incoming missile. Target acquired.
Time to earn my pay.
Your objective is complete, Commander. When you're ready to leave the fray, hop aboard the ship and we'll get you out of there.
Well, I gotta admit, that went pretty quick, huh? I do, in fact, love running the, we'll call it the light assault mech.
Burn that target down.
Got that in just in time.
Target acquired.
Had her.
Incoming missile. Target destroyed. Critical.
Time to kick ass.
Incoming.
More hostiles entering the combat zone's perimeter. Brace for additional contacts.
Hey, we are playing for salvage, might as well mix some more. Although the Omni-Mechs, really, you take them whole or you take them not at all, because, well, you get their weapons out. But the good little juicy parts by legging them, you know, the core, XL engines,
Let's get
etc.
out of here, Commander.
You can't
Job well
get them.
done.
I mean, how many light mechs do you know have a 20 LRM-20 on them? "17 picks gets me an adder. Yep, fixed everything. But I got all its weapons. Adder Prime for 15. Good money. See, now the 9 for the Jenner could have got me the XL engine if I hadn't cored it. And yep, cord. Cord. One leg and a head. Cord. Headshot. Ooh. Yeah, it's a shit ton of ER smalls, but does it have an XL engine? Because I need one. It does not. That's a shame. And it, yeah, leg and a head. Okay. So 5 points left over. Gets me a double heatsink. Yeah, I thought I had, oh, -1. Shucks. Alright, we're done. And we're out. Nice, easy mission. It helps if you actually claim them. And there is no way I should still be at that level for War Dog. And I'm going to sell that one. Take a look at him. Probably sell it. Yeah, it's all fixed, so I mean, a couple of ER mediums, but dime a dozen. I think I saw another one of those here. That's the multi-mission. I think I'm going to slide over here, and for my next episode, I think I'm going to go ahead and do Crimson Crusade, just for the heck of it. Because I really don't like, don't need the dragon. What do we want to do? Oh, that's the anti-clan. 230, 270, but it's against Karita. Karita doesn't like me that much. I want to keep lowering him down. Kinda need them so I can get the picks for these missions. Although, it was only giving me 6 picks. Is it really all that worthwhile? No. I guess it's too late, isn't it? I guess I'm in. I was just thinking go back and do the other 270 because it'd be better for me. But
Attention. Prepare for battlemechs departure. Warning. Hangar doors opening. Stand clear.
Reactor online. Sensors online. Weapons online. All systems nominal.
We've been ordered to destroy the forward operating base at the marked nav point. Prepare for a fight, Commander. But remember, the primary objective remains the destruction of the base itself.
the primary objective is coming home in one piece. I want to thank you all for putting up with the 1 week of being offline.
Got here. It's gone.
If you didn't see the last 2 episodes,
Target
it was
acquired.
a power supply outage. Fixed it, and here we are again. I think I had a voltage spike.
Target destroyed.
That must be one of the tanks we're contacted for.
Target
Pain got here. Target destroyed.
Target identified. Bring it down. Leave nothing left for them to salvage.
Battlemechs on approach. You have entered the restricted area. If you do not immediately withdraw, we will use all force necessary to remove you. This is Pain God. It's gone. I need
Just
to
got ECM, huh?
They're operating at reduced efficiency. Keep on smashing.
time to kick ass.
A little bit hot, so just keep up the salt and pepper on this face. The one-legged fat man still shooting at me.
Pain got here. Enemy mech destroyed.
Come here, Mr. Irby.
heat critical. Target destroyed. Target acquired. Heat critical. Target destroyed. Target acquired.
Somebody shot me.
Pain got here. Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Integrity of this place is down to 50%. We're halfway there.
I tell you, Irbies are really a wonderful trade-off between armor,
System offline.
that killed him, and lack of speed.
Critical. Target acquired. Target destroyed. System offline.
He had to do it.
This area is on its last legs, Commander. Just one final push,
I think
and
I'm
then we
going to
can
need
all
to
go home.
revisit this mech and get me some more cooling for these hotter planets. These pulse lasers don't help.
Target acquired.
is makes this mech viable with the LVX cannon. Lets me keep shooting when I'm hot.
Good kill, Commander. That mech is going critical.
It does help if I
The
line up the
facility's gone
cursors
cold.
properly.
All power signatures gone. No one's going to be able to utilize this complex for quite a bit. Time to get out of here, Commander.
Yeah, I'm coming.
How quickly will you come apart?
Incoming missile.
Tango down.
Got something on my butt. Must have been a VTOL from the sound of it. So I should have been to my rear, not on my butt. In the heat of battle, we say things that might not be appropriate. Like bite my butt.
Our window for extraction is closing. Let's get out of here.
Well, that's 2 million C-bills and a few picks. A pretty eclectic bunch of picks. I keep seeing this Ursus, and I think I'm going to have to go ahead and pick one. 50 is 10 picks to get one. Not going to get it this time, because they never leave them all enough. Seven. Well, 70% of the way ain't too bad. I have 18 of these. I think it's time to consolidate and upgrade. Yeah, I'm going to do that, in fact, before I take that instead. A little bit of ammo and... well, what the heck? What do we got? Nothing. 2 picks of nothing. Still comes out to nothing. Guess someday I'm going to have to build me an urban mech just so I can throw it away. Well, I realize it's been a short one, folks, but the clock on the wall says more than the clock of the game time, and I'm going to have to go ahead and call it an evening. Thanks for coming back to Latest Mechwarrior 5. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and come back next time, because we're going to keep kicking butt for quite a bit now. Thanks. Hope us out.